Hello everyone, today we will make delicious creamy and colorful smoothie bowl in this video. If you ask me how it tastes, it honestly tastes like an ice cream. This super beautiful smoothie bowl just made from 3 ingredients: bananas, strawberries and blueberries. For that we need to have frozen bananas. Take a ripe banana, make slices and keep it in fridge around 6 hours. I'm having lots of strawberries and let's freeze it too with the banana. We will take blueberries as it is, not the frozen one. Blueberries are good for mental health, skin and diabetes management. In a jar, add blueberries, bananas and strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. I'm taking almond milk, which is highly nutritious. It is low in calories, dairy free. It has vitamin D. It reduces heart diseases. But if you are allergic to tree nuts, you can simply use cow milk because cow milk is also low in calories. Let's blend them all together in a mixie and let's see what come out of it. It is looking very beautiful. Let's blend them once again. You can add any natural sweetener. I'm adding some honey. Pour it into a bowl, or you can simply have it as it is. I'm topping it with my favorite fruits, that's strawberries, banana, kiwi and blueberries. I have sliced some strawberries, bananas, kiwis and finally I am topping it with blueberries. I'm topping it with fruits, but you can use whatever you want to top it. You can use nuts and even edible flowers to it. This is a breakfast bowl. You can have it 3 times in a week. If you are sick and recovering, then you can have it once in a week because it's a bit heavy. But children and athletes can have it every day. It is a beautiful way to start your day with these smoothies. What's better in life than eating such smoothies in a breakfast? I really hope you will make these healthy breakfasts a try.